The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFM&T Conference and Expo.
Westminster School's Facilities Department is a great example of bootstrapping an energy and water efficiency program. The department started by looking to use water from a retention pond to eliminate the need for city water for irrigation. While that project was going on, the department hired an energy auditor and went to work on the low-cost items with fast payback. The savings from those projects helped pay for projects with longer payback periods. The audit and projects cost about $385,000, and Westminster has seen utility savings of more than $925,000 since fiscal year 2008. Here to talk about the lessons learned is William Broom, the Director of Facilities at the Westminster Schools.
Well, one of the key lessons I learned from this project is you've got to tout your savings to upper management to be able to do more. One of the first things we looked at was our retention pond. City of Atlanta water is very expensive, and we wanted to find a way to use that retention pond water to do irrigation so that we could come off of that expensive system. So when I ran the calculations, we were spending about $25,000 to $30,000 a year on city irrigation water. The cost of the project was going to be somewhere over $100,000. Once we presented that to management that we could save or get a payback in just over 4 years, management was excited about that because we were going to go gravy after that. And in doing that, the school as well has a green initiative there at the school. And one of the things I touted to upper management is that if we did an energy audit, there may be other things that we can do to lower our utility bills and reap even more savings. So I got permission to bring on an energy auditor. She came through, went through all of our buildings on campus, system by system, leaving no stone unturned. She created a huge list of items that we could do to save money and reduce energy usage. Some of them had big paybacks, with short returns. Some of them had smaller paybacks, longer returns. So we went after those low-cost items first. I was able to show in the first half of my fiscal year some savings, got permission to go for a few more expensive items, was able to show even more savings, and then went back to the Capital Maintenance Committee of the Board of Trustees, showed this information to them, got approval to do some of the bigger items with a longer payback. And one of the biggest things is showing how you're saving. I had graphs that showed our water use drop. I had graphs showing our gas usage go down, our electrical usage go down, not only in usage but dollars saved, so that the school itself could see the benefits of what we were doing. And because of that, I was involved in some of the class initiatives talking about the savings we did. I worked with some of the peer schools in our area talking about what we did to help inspire them to do some of the similar energy savings that we did at the Westminster schools. So the biggest lesson learned is talk about to management, how these changes can save money, save energy, and give the school a good name that they can use in their marketing, going out and recruiting of students and gifts and so on and so forth.